Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing like a tutorial lip swatches of the brand new Colourpop California Love collection. This is one of their summer 2019 launches. I'm super excited to show you guys everything in this collection. I literally just got this in the mail yesterday. So before we get into today's video, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now. You guys do not want to miss out on it. I'll have a link for it in my description box below. And then I'll also have the giveaway video up here in the card so you guys can see all of the prizes. Also, I do a lot of giveaways on my Instagram, so if you guys do not follow me on there, make sure you go check out my Instagram page and make sure to follow me on there so you guys don't miss out on any other giveaways. Today's post notification shout out goes to, I think it's just supposed to be Elena, but with an X. I'm really sorry if I'm not saying that correctly, but thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. It's super easy. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. So in the first part of this video, I'm just going to be talking about all of the products and their prices. I'll have like timestamps in the description box and probably in the pinned comment if you guys want to see only like a certain part of this video. If you guys just want to see what's in this collection, then it would start now in the beginning of the video. Then we're going to go ahead and do the tutorial on this look, and then the last part of the video will be the lip swatches of all of the lip products. All right, so the first thing in the California Love collection is the California Love eyeshadow palette. I'm obsessed with the packaging. Obviously, I coordinated my background with the packaging because I thought it would be really cute. I love the packaging, so this is what the outer part of the palette looks like. The actual palette looks like this. I love the little foiled palm trees. And then here are all of the shades. Whenever I opened this up, I thought it was so beautiful. I'm really like drawn to all these like warm orangey shades. So this palette is $18, which is really affordable for an eyeshadow palette. You guys know that I love the Colourpop eyeshadow formula. Some of my all-time favorite palettes are from Colourpop, so yeah, I'm really excited that they came out with this palette. So there are a few different like formulas of eyeshadows in this palette. We have like some foiled shades like this one right here. Then this one over here is like a pressed glitter, which I thought was really cool. Then we have like the standard kind of like shimmery shades. Then we also have the just like plain matte shades in the palette, but then you also have like this shade and this brown shade over here, which are like kind of like a satin almost. It looks like it would be matte, but then whenever you look up close, there's like little gold flecks of shimmer in each of those shades. So next up, we have two brand new shades of their BFF mascara. These are both $8. So the first shade we have is called Lover's Coral, which obviously is a really pretty coral. I'm wearing it on my lower lash line right now. And then the other shade is called Brownie Points, which is a deep dark brown. I'm actually really excited to get this because I don't think I actually own a brown mascara, but I feel like this will look really nice like on a no makeup day. If you just want like more natural looking lashes, just to like darken them up a little bit if you have lighter lashes like I do. And then lastly, we have 5 brand new shades of the Ultra Blotted Lips. These are each $7. They have 5 really pretty shades for the summer. These are like really like lightweight. These are like the perfect kind of lip product for the summer because they just feel so like light and comfortable on the lips. You don't feel like they're gonna go anywhere at all. I really like these a lot. This was actually my first time ever trying like this formula from Colourpop, and I'm like already obsessed. So here are all of the shades. I'm gonna get more into the actual shades later in the video whenever I do lip swatches of all of these, but I just feel like they picked out so many nice shades for the summertime. I'm wearing this middle shade right here on my lips right now, and I'm really liking it. I feel like it goes really nicely with like the coral mascara that I have on my bottom lashes. So I'm like obsessed with the gold lid and the gold like writing on these. Normally the Colourpop like lip products have a silver lid and then silver writing, but I'm like really loving the gold for this collection. I think it looks so pretty. All right, so now that you guys have seen everything that is in this collection, we're gonna go ahead and just start with the tutorial portion of this video. I'm gonna be doing my eyeshadow on camera, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into the lip swatches. So I went ahead and did my face makeup off camera. Now we're gonna go ahead and start out the eyeshadow tutorial. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is Gold Rush, and I'm gonna first start by packing this on my outer corner, and then I'm gonna kind of slightly go into the crease. So now I'm going to pick up the shade Sequoia, and I'm going to take this on like a little blending brush. This is the Sigma E36 brush, and I'm just going to run this along the edges of the first shade just to kind of diffuse the edges and blend that out. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Laguna, and I'm going to use that shade to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to take some concealer and just kind of clean up the lid area. So now I'm going to take the shade Diego, and I'm going to put this very close in the inner corner. So I really want to use this glitter shade right here. So I'm going to take some of my Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm going to put that on the rest of my lid before I apply that shade. So now we're going to move down to the lower lash line. I think I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I'm first going to go in with the shade Sequoia, and I'm just going to smudge this all along my lower lash line, kind of connecting it over here to the outer corner. And now I'm going to take a little bit of Gold Rush, and I'm just going to press this right up against the lower lash line. So now I'm going to go in with the Coral Mascara, and I'm going to use this on my lower lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my top lashes off camera. I'm going to apply some fake eyelashes and fill in my brows, and then I'll be right back. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the lip swatches. I'm going to be going through all of the shades. These are all ultra blotted lips. So I'm first going to swatch Double Double, which is like a super bright hot pink. So I actually really like this shade a lot. I don't normally wear shades like this, but I feel like this one would be a really pretty color for the spring or the summer. I really love the formula of these because they're like very light on the lips. Next up is the shade Swing Away, and this one is like a really bright, kind of like orangish red. This is a terrible swatch, but this shade is gorgeous. I really like this one as well. I'm probably going to say that about every single shade because I feel like they picked out really, really nice shades for this collection. The next shade is kind of similar to the last one, but this one's a little bit more like coral than red. So here is what this shade looks like. I really like this one a lot as well. So far, I'm really liking the formula of these. They're very thin on the lips and they do like dry all the way down. So next up, I'm gonna be swatching the shade Cypress Chill. This one looks really pretty. I can't decide if I wanna wear this one or like the bright red one with this look. So maybe after I put this one on, I'll be able to decide. So this one is definitely my favorite so far. This shade is so pretty. I really love shades like this. And then the last shade that I'm going to be swatching is called Scenic Route, and I'm sure I'm going to love this one as well. So I'm really liking how natural this shade looks on the lips. I really love all of these colors. I feel like they picked really, really nice colors for the summertime. All right, so now I think I'm gonna go ahead and reapply the shade Swing Away, which is like that kind of like orangish red. I feel like that one kind of goes with like my background and the eye look I have going on, and then I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below if you guys are going to purchase anything from this collection. I feel like this is one of the more exciting summer launches. I'm really happy that they sent me all of these products, so thank you so much to Colourpop for sending me this package. I'm gonna have all of the products that I mentioned in today's video linked in my description box below if you guys want to check any of them out. I do have a coupon code with Colourpop. It's 5Melinda, and you can get $5 off your order at colourpop.com. It's not like an affiliate coupon code, like I don't make any commission off it. It's strictly just for you guys to get a discount. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. And also, before you leave, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.